Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will be doing phonetic sounds, which is very important if you want your kid to start reading 2 letters or 3 letters words. Okay, so let's start, and I'll just request that parents please practice this phonetic sounds every day. It is very important. Okay, A says a, apple, ant, aeroplane, astronaut. B says b, ball, bell, bus, butterfly. C says k, cat, cake, car, cow. D says d, dolphin, door, dress, dog. E says egg, elephant, earth, eagle. F says fish, fire, fan, flower. G says girl, gun, grapes, grass. H says hen, helicopter, hat, house. I says ink, igloo, iron, ice cream. J says joker, jeep, jug, jellyfish. K says kite, kettle, key, king. L says lamp, lion, leaf, ladybug. M says monkey, moon, magnet, mug. N says nurse, nail, net, nest. O says orange, octopus, onion, owl. P says parrot, pencil, pineapple, penguin. Q says quiet, queen, question, quarter. R says rabbit, rainbow, rat, ribbon. S says sun, sheep, starfish, ship. T says tree, telephone, triangle, turtle. U says umbrella, okay, unicorn, utensils, UFO. V says violin, van, vest, vase. W says watermelon, window, windmill, whistle. X says this is k, that is how it sounds, like adha k and s. Xmas tree, xylophone, x-ray, x-ray fish. Y says yarn, yoke, yoga, yacht. Z says zigzag, okay, zero, zebra. So this is all about phonetics. So practice phonetic sounds every day. Apart from that, there is one more thing which I can tell you, like kids, they sing a song like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So हिंदी में हम बच्चों को ये भी सिखा सकते हैं while they are memorizing their phonetic sounds. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? Happy learning. Thank you.